How to use Google Earth. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enter and access the Google Earth. So in order to start, the first thing that you're gonna do is open any web browser of your choice. So I have opened Google Chrome. Now if you're inside Chrome, you need to simply click onto this option, that is Google Apps, and once you click here you can simply scroll down until you see the Earth option. So click onto this Earth option and it will lead you to the Google Earth. Now if you are on any other web browser, simply search for Google Earth on the search bar and hit the enter button, and you will see this option that says Google Earth. The URL is earth.google.com. Now simply go to Google Earth and it will lead you to the same page. Just let the Google Earth load, and once it loads you will see this particular screen. Now from here you can create a new project if you want, and you can also choose to import files or go to a new map. So that's how easily you can download or use the Google Earth. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.